Grey's Anatomy Season 17 Episode 8 promo. Patrick Dempsey returns. It shouldn't be a surprise to anyone at this point that Grey's Anatomy Season 17 Episode 8 is going to be emotional. It almost has to be after what we have just gone through. This past episode featured the still shocking death of Andrew DeLuca, and this is something that will likely reverberate through the rest of the season. Want to get some more news when it comes to Grey's Anatomy in this video from? Then check out our thoughts in this total video and the exit of DeLuca below. Once you do that, remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any update in the future as well. In the promo, you can see absolutely how the mourning process is shaping out for a number of characters. We know, for example, that Karina is going to be shattered. She has Maya to lean on, and she is going to need her both on Station 19 and the flagship show. Meanwhile, Maggie has a history on her own with Andrew, and almost every person working at the Grey Salon had at least some relationship with him. Meredith will also have to mourn in the event she ever gets off the ventilator. This preview also gives another reminder that there is more story to tell with Patrick Dempsey, which may not be surprise or maybe surprise to a lot of people out there. The actor has made some appearances already, and both he and showrunner Krista Warnoff had said there would be more coming in this arc. We think that Derek will be important to Meredith's future this season, even if it's not entirely clear how that will be or what that will look like. Now that's what we have spelled out in that way. Can we have a few happy moments coming up? Without a doubt, we have been swimming in darkness for a huge chunk of this story. What do you want to see over the rest of Grey's Anatomy Season 17? Be sure to share right now in the comments. After you do that, stick around. There are all sorts of other updates coming that you don't want to miss. We will provide you all the updates. Just subscribe to our channel and we will give you every update that you need regarding it. Till then, bye bye and take care. See you all.